Hey gang, guess what? I had my Sunday nap. It was small, but I had it nevertheless. And we went out to dinner. And so now the night is winding down, and I decided that I wanted to make a project. I've been working on this thing for a while now. And somebody's trying to ease into my video, so I may as well just let them say, hey.
To help him. I fart.
Ew.
Okay. Let's use
So
it.
anyway, today we're going to be working with Dollar Tree items. And these used to be this color, but I painted them. I bought 8 of them, so that's $8. Then we went to Home Depot, and got these paint sticks, the nice long and thick ones, for free. We got 3 of them. We didn't have to pay for them. And all you need is some kind of glue, and we got Gorilla Glue that we're going to be using, and we can get started on this project. Now, at some point, I'm going to go out, take these outside, and paint them the same color as these little shells. But for now, all I'm going to be doing is gluing these crates together, and we'll be back when I get finished with that. All right, so we're back. And now I have glued all 4 pieces together. And the next step is to lay them down like this and glue them together. So I'm gonna just do that right now. And then I'm gonna stack this one on top of the next one, just like that, and keep going until all of them have been attached to each other. While we were off camera, I took those paint stirring sticks. I spray painted them to match these crates, and we are going to attach them also. We're going to attach them to the front here. One here and one there. It'll look like this. One will go here and one will go there. We'll be back when we get those attached. Hey gang. So it's the next day, and my piece is now dry. And let me show it to you. Y'all know all put together. So this is it. All 8 crates all put together. And what I'll do now is put some little hooks to hang it by on the back and attach. I think I'm gonna use thumbtacks. These little chalkboard plates. I just tack them there in the front of each one. I think they're too big. What do y'all think? And then I've got to go to the Dollar Tree and get the little mason jars that go in there with the little teeny handles. And each one will sit in there. Each jar with this seasonings in it will sit in 8 shelves. So, I hope you like it. It was fun to make. And it only cost $8 plus the paint, which I still have maybe a 1/4 of a can left to do another project. So, I'm gonna call it $10. Okay? Y'all have a good one. Bye. Okay, guys, here's the spice rack all hung and ready for the spices. I'll go to Dollar Tree tomorrow and get the little miniature mason jars with the handles and then go in my spice drawers and get the spices and put them in there. All right, have a good one.